y'all. Hey, so I'm coming to y'all showing y'all how I make my labels for my business. It's so easy and it's so much easier than I thought it was going to be. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in Avery. Then I'm going to go to their website. I'm already logged in, so there's nothing to worry about. What we're going to do is I'm just going to go to my accounts and click projects. As you can see, I've already created some, but I'm going to start a new project so you can see how I did it. So I bought the labels from Office Depot. They were not high at all. Actually, I think when I went, they were on sale. And they're just clear round labels. I'm going to show y'all what they look like after I print them off. So what I do is there's a number on the envelope that they come in. So I'm just going to type the number in that's on this envelope and the template will come up. See, this is the one right here. So I'm going to select this template. I'm going to select that blank design so I can upload my stuff and click customize. And then from here, this is showing you whether it's showing you your options. You can edit all of them, which means that you can have them all print off at the same time, or you could either edit one and they have other options where you could do more than one but not fill up the whole sheet as well. So what I do is I go to my account, but if you don't already have that, you can click computer and then browse for file and then take it from your camera roll. But I already have it in my account, so I'm going to select them from here. And then once I get here, I'm just going to size it up how I would like. Just making sure that they're staying within those boundaries. You don't want your label to go outside that dotted line, because if they do, then it's going to cut it off. I mean, unless that is really what you want, but I'm sure that's not what you want. You want your label to be in there in its whole, you want your label to be in there in its entirety. True child. Okay, so now that I got this centered and sized up like I wanted to, I'm just gonna do the second part of it. And I believe you can add as many things as you want to. It helps you center it and all. So when that red line pops up, this middle line right here, it's telling you that it's centered. So that really helps. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead, preview. I'm doing it on all of them. So I selected all, but let's see how I do it on just a few. And this is how you can select which ones you want. But I know it's a way that you can do well, no, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I don't think this is just edit one. I don't want to steer y'all wrong, so we're just going to skip this part. Because I don't want to tell y'all the wrong thing. I'm just going to edit this whole sheet. So I'm just going to do edit all. And then I'm going to preview and print. Let me see. So if I click edit one and then say I wanted to do 5. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that part. I'm just going to edit all of them. And click print it yourself. Okay, here it goes. So instead of clicking print all, you can choose, you can do a custom selection where you take some off that you don't want to print. I knew it was some way you could do it. I just had to figure it out. Yeah, so say if I only wanted to do 5, only these 5 will print off and the rest of them would remain blank. But in this case, I want to print this whole sheet, so I'm going to click print all. And then I'm going to get the PDF to print. Save it. Please save it just in case you want to do it again. you want to print it off again. And so I'm going to download the PDF. Hit download. I'm doing this on my iPad, by the way. So my document has downloaded, and I'm going to click on it up here. It's this arrow, and then here's the template. So I'm going to show y'all how to print it off. Just click print right here, and whatever printer you want to print it on, it's going to print off on that printer, and then click print. So right now I'm waiting on it to print out. It should be coming out in a minute. It's doing whatever printers do. Okay, here we go. There we go. And there you have it. My labels have come to life. Like I said, it's real easy. You don't have to put any thought behind it. It's just like editing a picture and just printing it off. No effort at all. So I hope this video has helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.